Hello guys, welcome back to my tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix unbalanced AirPods audio issues. In other words, this happens when one side of the AirPods is much louder than the other, making it very annoying to use, especially after you have paid such a premium price for the pair of AirPods. This issue usually appears after several years of continuous use. This problem can be caused in several ways. First, this could happen when some dirty particles get stuck in the AirPods itself, blocking audio from coming out. Second, this could happen when you use one AirPod more often than the other, causing the battery and audio driver of that heavily used AirPod to die out. I tried contacting Apple support, and all they said is that this is a hardware issue, which would cost around $80 to fix. A very costly fix. The solution to address this problem is actually not an actual fix, but rather a software trick that solves the problem. For my AirPods, the left AirPod is much louder than the right one. If you're on a MacBook, open Audio MIDI setup and select AirPods 2 or whichever one that shows two outputs. Channel 1 is usually for the left AirPod and channel 2 is for the right AirPod. Play around with these two channel volumes for different AirPods until you find the sweet spot. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, open Settings and scroll down and select Accessibility. Scroll down again and select Audio/Visual. Here, you can find the volume balance where you can adjust the loudness of the right or left ear channel. Slide the toggle right or left to adjust the audio for each volume channel. That's it. This is a clever trick on how you could solve this unbalanced audio issue on your old pair of AirPods. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.